OPHUCHUS. This is your channel messages for the 5th of June. Your channel message is the 6 of Wands, the Queen of Cups, and if you're looking for your truth, you know I never lied. Oh, I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. Entertainers. Don't let those other bitches intimidate ya. We're running out of time now. I'm the one, yeah. Oh, eh, oh, eh, oh, eh, oh. I'm the one. Oh, eh, oh, baby, I'm the one. I'm getting one. And you look just the same without no makeup. Okay, we're getting a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. She wants to be the first. Something about one, the one and only. Okay. Now, we're getting something about a lot of people, a lot of fans. Maybe there's something like being single, one. Or we're getting something about you. You're the only one to do this. Something about there's another woman who was the only person to do this with you. Okay, but we're getting something about the fans. We're getting something about Queen of Cups and one. Alright? There's only one of you. Or only one person can do it like you. Or you're the only one to do something. You're the only one to get that far. Maybe you're the only one to get VP, what do you call it? Like VIP. You know, when the crowd vote for you to be like the top pick, the GOAT, the VP, I'm getting you're the one. I'm getting something that has never happened before is happening before. And you're the only one that's going to get it, or the only one that this was even nominated for. Okay? Oh, OPHUCHUS. We have the Justice card coming out first. Okay, so I'm getting something about the liberals. Or something about a liberal. I'm getting something about the justice system, all right? That can include courtrooms, documents, police, all of these things. I'm getting something about a liberal woman. I'm not sure if a contract have to be drafted up, okay? But I'm getting something about one. You're the only one. So the justice card rules two, but I'm getting it's not two, it's one. It's one of them, it's only one, right? So I'm getting you're supposed to be repaying both sides of the scale because you're one. Now this can be, I was getting 6 of Wands, which was the fans, but this can be you're only one person, you have no kids, you have no dependents, and you don't have a husband or wife. So something's supposed to be easier for you. You're only one. I'm only have to think about one person. We have the Page of Cups. We have the Empress. We have the King of Swords. We have the 2 of Pentacles. And we have the 4 of Pentacles. Okay, so I'm getting somebody, mom, working the jurisdictional system. Thank you, Anthony Miller. Somebody, mother work for law. Them work in a courtroom. So I'm getting this woman, she want you to talk to her son. I don't know if she want you to date her son, but I'm getting you have your back to her son and you're looking at the King of Swords. So there's something about this Empress, this man who is her age, and this guy who is younger than her, okay? The Justice card and the Page of Cups, maybe something is barely consensual. With the Justice and Page of Cups, is somebody not the age of consent yet? Because I'm getting you saying, no, she like older man. You mean older than you, sweetie? The man she like is her age. She like older man. I'm getting you saying you're young, she not gonna like you. The Justice card can be, but how young? How young are we talking? How young are we talking? Is it consensual? Then you're good. As long as you can consent, you're good. But we know that some people can consent to sex, but them can't consent to alcohol. Them can consent to cannabis, but them can't consent to them can consent to sex, but them can't consent to cannabis, which is weird. As long as it's consensual, sir. I don't know where I look on age. Cause some of them man, them gone for 14-year-olds. Them are 12-year-old. So I don't know what the fuck you want me to say. We have a 2 of Pentacles and a 4 of Pentacles. So, me getting destiny swapping. I don't know if there's an older man who swapped destinies with this younger guy. Because yes, with age comes maturity. It also comes confidence. You know, the older man, they might be more confident because they have years for training them lies. And them have years of dealing with women. That's why they're confident. Me getting you young. You might do it the right way, but the right way don't get the attention you want. Me getting something about age. Age on this page. Somebody in them 20s. I'm hoping, I would hope that you decided to put somebody in a predicament while you being in the 20s. I would hope so. Because me getting you saying, no, this person only want older men who have money, who, you know, have investment properties. But me getting the old man, they must struggle too. You think me call them old and drive? That is credit card debt, sir. You just get one credit card, you're spending your credit card wisely. Them old people here, them older man, where you see a drive, and them a go out and them a spend money, that's credit card. Them have debt. Just because you see a man and a woman out there, you don't know the situation. He might look rich and she look rich, but both of them broke. Let's clarify. Because me getting the Empress like the King of Swords, but the sword is here and the sword is here. This would be age. Is somebody a young looking older woman? Because if she look young, them going to say she must deal with the Page of Cups. Because two of them look young. But if she is old, them going to say she need to deal with one man her age. But she look young for him. The Justice card is clarified by the 9 of Wands. Yeah. Somebody's onto you. Did you lie about your age? I'm getting somebody a lie about them age. That's why you must ask for ID. You should ask them for IDs. The Page of Cups is clarified by the King of Pentacles. And sir, you might be page, but your bank account is looking like the king. So I don't know what you're worried about now. Not only are you young, you have money. So why your confidence dropping? Because the man older? Maybe somebody's an older, experienced person. Okay. Did the price of rice increase because of it? No. Did Canadian farmers lower them farming products for Canadians? No. Is PC Optimum still giving you the best and the lowest prices for Canadians? Yes? Okay, so that don't mean nothing. Because the 4 of Pentacles, yeah, the man might be older with a nicer looking car, but he mean. Him don't give people money. Him don't help out. He's a mean man. While you younger, you don't drive, you probably take the bus, but you have money. And you're probably not mean. Me feel like this girl where you like, you keep a listen to other man. In this time, they can't listen to nobody. Because if you listen to girls, the girls going to be jealous and sabotage and say she fucking 6 different men and she have her OnlyFans. And if you ask the man will call her a whore because them couldn't get to fuck her again. Or them couldn't get to fuck her at all. So you're at a disadvantage here, especially when you're young and your mind can be controlled so easily. The Empress is clarified by the 9 of Cups. Me getting she's everything you want though. But she's stuck. I don't know. Something is stuck between this woman being with an older man or this woman being with a younger guy. But me getting you and her look the same age if you walk beside her. Me getting the older man, him feel insecure when he walk beside her because I'm older. Or at least him think him look too old. Even if they're in the same age group. Me getting when you walk beside her, you don't feel no way. She look like you. So, but maybe when it comes down to legalities, documentation, for you to tell you, alright, you're one 20-year-old, you tell a friend and say you date a girl 10 years older than you. It's a look, they're gonna think it's an old woman. Can I take out my dentures? She's 10 years older than you. You're dating grandma. When we getting when you see the person, you're like, yeah, but she don't look that way. But explaining that is hard. And if I did have friends as girls, I'm going to say, you know, I date one guy 10 years older than me, then I'm going to be okay. But if the guy is a hard 10, as in him look fucked up, then I'm going to say, why you don't want old man? Him not old, him 10 years older. Is that old? Okay, we have the King of Swords. King of Swords is clarifying the Devil card and the 6 of Wands. The 6 of Wands was your message. Something about you're the first to do something. Now the 6 of Wands and the devil is clarifying to him. So I'm getting the old man here, he might use you like a Birkin. You're a Birkin bag. That's what the fuck you are. I'm getting him a parade around with you. So for him, it's not about the money. It's about who is seen with you. Who is seen. Because him all, you know. Him excitement is feeling wanted by other women. And chances are, if he might date a young woman, he might date them and he might spend money anyways. Even if him not give them the money in them hand, he might spend money upon a so-called good time. Maybe that's what him want. Because I'm getting somebody want to make the public know them for dating you or for be the one for throw you off, or I don't know. I'm getting him a look for your status increase right now. He ain't looking for love. I don't see love here. The 2 of Pentacles is clarified by the King of Wands, and yeah, like somebody is supposed to tame you. Someone's a horse tamer, right? Somebody's a horse tamer. They're tame. They're a dog tamer. They're supposed to tame you. Maybe that's all somebody want to know. Yeah, this girl was so difficult. Like a lot of guys talk about her. Yeah, well, I'm with her, and look there, I'm able to tame her within my first month. I'm getting this old. I'm old, you know. You never really have nothing for brag about. You can't brag about nothing. I don't know what I'm old. That's the problem, sir. You think because you have money and you have things, sir, you're old. You know what you can't brag about? Time. And the 4 of Pentacles is clarified by the 8 of Wands. And remember, you're old. Chances are you're going to have erectile dysfunction somewhere within the relationship. And if you can keep a woman at a distance where you now see her every day and you claim that you work for hide the fact that you have erectile dysfunction, then you're going to make it worse. That's why if you learn to eat pussy, because you're older now, you're having erectile dysfunction. And not only can you not make her come even if your dick was hard, even when your dick is hard, you can't make her come, you just come. So you see, the older men will say, oh, I have erectile dysfunction, I cannot have sex with her. She wasn't coming anyways when you were having sex with her. You just feel more insecure because your dick can't even stand up for even practice or play the fact that you could make her come. That's why if you learn to eat pussy. Yeah. No, you're acting like you're busy. Sir, you have erectile dysfunction. So you want to take something for eat, and if you don't want to take something for eat, then why you don't just wait till you're horny? And then you fuck. You could have just said that. You could have said, listen to me, I'm at an age, my erectile dysfunction, I'm at an age where, yeah, it's not that my dick don't work how it used to work, but my mental space is very mature now, so not a lot of things arouse me. So I'm going to be honest with you. You have sometimes we're not going to fuck. And it's not because we don't want to fuck you, it's because my dick won't stand up. And sometimes, and even if I hug you up and want to suck off your breast and take off your clothes, it don't mean I want to have sex with you, because chances are I have erectile dysfunction. Why you never said that? You see how easy that was? Yeah, you're busy, scheduled. Elon Musk had time to put his hand on Elon, we're going through the Elon, we're going Elon. Even Elon Musk had time to fondle. Actually, Gail put her hand on him first. If we look at it, Gail is the one who put her hands on Elon Musk first, and he did not say anything about consent there. So it is okay. Let's get some of these. The younger one, them now. Here's the difference with the young ones. Them gonna come fast. Them young. They're gonna come unless they're the type for masturbate a lot, where them can control them delayed coming. Them younger, them will come fast. So what you rather deal with? A young guy who come fast, even though when he gets hard, but him come fast. So you still never get to come. Then you have the old man who have me getting delayed erection. Maybe I can't come. Maybe you're that type of man. You have sex, and you can't come. Jesus Christ, sir. Who own you? Maybe that's what it is. Because I'm getting this embarrassing. I have sex with this girl. I should tired now. I'm getting you try for focus. Like you try for focus to come here. You just can't come here. Can't. Who own you? Are you for sale? Because I still couldn't buy. I'm broke. But if you were, it would be good for me to fondle with the idea of owning you. So you're rather deal with a man who have erectile dysfunction where him sometimes can't fuck and him don't eat pussy. Or you're rather deal with a young guy who come fast and him don't eat pussy. That's why you have to learn to eat pussy, people. What the fuck? We have CIA. We have Jupiter. We have Scorpio. We have Cancer. And we also have Venus. So, yeah. I'm sorry about you and your penis problems. I wish I could help you, but, you know, I have a vagina. So I'm not really sure as to how can I be of aid of you and your penile problems when my vajayjay is all I have. But I'll leave it here. Until next time, OPHUCHUS. Bye.